In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dimensions in your floor plan, elevation, section, or detail view. First, open the specific view where you want to place your dimensions. This could be a floor plan, an elevation, a section, or a detail. Make sure the elements you want to measure, such as walls, grids, edges, or components, are visible and easy to select. If needed, zoom in so you can clearly see the exact points you'll reference. A clean view helps you avoid accidental clicks on the wrong objects. Next, activate the Dimension tool. Go to the Annotate tab, then look for the Dimension panel. From there, choose the option that best matches what you want to measure. Aligned is great for measuring the true distance between 2 points along their actual angle, and it's especially useful for sloped or angled elements. Linear is best for strictly horizontal or vertical distances. Angular measures the angle between two lines or edges, and radial is used for circular elements like arcs or circles, giving you the radius. Now pick your reference points, click on your first element. This could be a wall face, a grid line, or an edge of a component. You'll usually see a highlight or snap indicator confirming the pick. Then click on your second element. Take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct surfaces or lines. Accurate snaps lead to accurate dimensions. If the wrong element highlights, simply move your cursor slightly until the correct reference is detected. After selecting the two references, move your cursor to where you want the dimension line to appear. You'll see a preview that follows your cursor. Position the dimension so it reads clearly, avoids overlapping other annotations, and aligns with the way you want your drawing to be read. Keeping a consistent offset from the model or from other dimensions helps maintain a tidy look. When you're satisfied with the placement, click to set the dimension line. The measurement will appear automatically based on your current view scale and dimension style. If something looks off, you can usually select the dimension and nudge it to a better location without redoing the entire process. For clarity, make sure witness lines don't collide with other graphics and that the text is legible. That's it. Open the right view, activate the Dimension tool, choose the correct type, pick your references carefully, place the line with intention, and let the software display the measurement automatically. With a bit of practice, you'll place clean, consistent dimensions every time.